Yeah. So yeah, we invited Parmalisa Marra from Links to come, but she couldn't today. The idea here is to present the results of a research and industry cooperation as a model of exploiting Copernicus products towards the market. So one of the important aspects that we have learned during this project that is now ended as was called TESSA, is a PON Italian project, is that we to develop services that were useful. I mean, we didn't discover nothing new, but we tried to be user-centered. So along the project, we have been discussing and talking to users from very new to us network like sailors and fishermen, and so doing that we have been able to understand the exact requirements and try to develop services that were suitable for them, for their purpose. And of course another advantage is that we try to expose to them the real first prototype and then ameliorate the prototype along the line. So the actors in this experience, I'm presenting the two results of two different projects. One was a Living Lab project, so our Links, that is this private company based in Lecce that was developing the IT platform that through multi-channel and multi-platform system is delivery the data, the Copernicus products and added value products through web and mobile application. And now, after the project end, is exploiting the commercial component of the project. CMCC, where my institute, where I belong, was the connection to Copernicus, so was downscaling, doing specific post-processing and modeling, both in downscaling mode, so high-resolution coastal modeling, but especially in this case, specific modeling on oil spill development, search and rescue, ship routing, and other sectors. And also be part of the service delivery, not the front end, but let's say the back end to the decision support system. And then very briefly, I will present the results of another project, or one result, that is a web bulletin done together with Links, but also with other two companies, a web TV and an editorial company. And of course, also Unibo was contributing. So the project was challenging also because it was addressing several different aspects of maritime safety that we try to include them, all of them, in what we call situational awareness, so make the user knowledgeable of what is the situation around him or her while doing his maritime activities. So different sectors. The classic approach, starting from ECNWF and Copernicus data, so wind and currents mainly, and then adding high-resolution modeling capability. Then from the left to the right, developing a decision support system with several applications. So all these applications are available on the web through registration. Some of them, VC and C condition has become commercial, so you have only a demo for free, and then it's you have to acquire the app, to buy the app, or while Oceans are for search and rescue, WeToy for oil spill modeling, forecasting is free on the web. So the first step, of course, in this project has been the downscaling approach, but I will not emphasize it. But of course, it's very important, especially if you want to provide services at the harbor or coastal level. C condition is the application that we have developed, and I will make I will run this video and then make a small demonstration.
The sea, So familiar, yet so mysterious at the same time. You need it when you want to share a special moment with your loved ones, or when you want to be alone with your thoughts. At times, the sea seems to know you better than anyone else. At times, it almost seems to fool you instead, with its secrets and unexpected events. This is why sea conditions and all the other decision support systems have been created to help you discover something more about it. Sea conditions and my sea conditions, Visair, with oil, Ocean SAR, marine environment and the waterproof marinized tablet Nautibox. Thanks to these instruments, you will always be able to find the safest route. The products developed by our consortium can help find people lost at sea, limit the damage from oil spill, make your navigation safer, or simply know exact weather and the sea condition forecasts. Our services can tell you when the right moment is to do what makes you happy. To learn about wind strength and direction, as well as the sea currents, and to obtain environmental data useful for optimal sailing, and can confidently guide you to your next adventure. Because the sea, in the end, is not so mysterious. You only need to understand it. Sea conditions, my sea conditions, Visair, with oil, Ocean SAR, marine environment, and Nautibox.
I mean, it's meant to be a spot, so I guess you read it for this. Oh, sorry. So what is Sea Conditions today is a web platform and a mobile application. Oh, sure.
So familiar, yet so mysterious at the same time.
And so you can access it from the web, and it allows. So why is the results of how should I say, of the cooperation between research and industry? We have largely invest in the visualization issue, because we thought, and this of course has been done by the research group that has the construct systems that were able to easily visualize on the web the different sorry, I'm out of internet now. The demo is always okay. So this, as you see, for instance, it was showing up as tiles because we are using this type of visualization. And then the industry has helped us, or has worked with us, to develop the mobile application that are available on the web. In the system, you can have together the ocean currents and the ocean state variables, and then the meteorological forecast. I guess should come. Those are always the case when you do a demo, the risk. It's stuck. I will show you later. And in the same website, then you have, okay. The website is stuck. Internet Explorer is gone. Yeah, no. Okay, I will show you later. And so another application that has been developed is, well, it's not an application, is a way of communicating the meteo ocean forecast to the public, and is a web bulletin that, sorry, is in Italian, but it's just an example, that is done every week for generic public. And
Anna, del 14-15 novembre.
so it's basically
Della giornata di sabato, che sarà caratterizzata da cielo parzialmente coperto.
it's putting together the meteorological forecast together with so the wind and the cloud and rain, together with the Copernicus data on ocean temperature and currents. So, of course, is for a generic public, but mainly for ocean activity like fishery and sailing. So together with this application on the website, you will find the different, that I don't have the time to show, the different other application on search and rescue and oil spill that you can access through registration. This registration is totally for free. And then you can access the full search and rescue and oil spill capability together with this here that is the ship routing one. Yeah, no, it's gone. Internet Explorer is stuck.